Mateo predicts his cookie dough will make 24 cookies. He is actually able to make 20 cookies. What is the percent error of Mateo's estimate? Pause this video, have a go at that. All right, so when we're talking about percent error, you could think of it as error over actual. And assuming your error is, well, actually, sometimes your error isn't smaller than your actual, but in many cases, your error will be smaller than your actual, and this will give you some decimal value between 0 and 1. If you want to express it as a percentage, of course, you can multiply it by 100%, and of course, 100% is just equal to 1. But let's do it in this situation. In this situation, our error, we thought we were going to get 24, which is an overestimate, minus the actual, which is 20, actually able to make 20 cookies. And then the actual, I just said, is 20. And of course, we can multiply that times 100%. This is going to be equal to 4 over 20, which is 0.2. You multiply that times 100%, of course, that would get us to a 20% error.